Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a database in MySQL. Here you can see I have opened MySQL. Let me just zoom out, full screen it, and here you can see you have only one database. By default, you will find this space, administration. Okay, so you just have to go to the schema here, and here you can see we have only one table. Now let's create our table. So I will say create table. Really I want to create a database at first, right? So I will say create database, then the database name. Let's say I want information about students. Okay, so what can I say here? I will create a database. The student will be the table. Let's say I want to create a database of, let's say, data visionary. Okay, so I will say here data visionary. So this is the database name. Okay, and actually I want to use here underscore db. Okay, so it's not necessary yet actually, so I have just added it. Okay, it's actually I love to actually do this. Okay, so it's not necessary. Okay, so here you can see a lightning sign. You just have to click here if you want to execute query, and here you can see create database data visionary underscore db. So here you can see we have nothing, but we have to refresh here, and now you can see we have data visionary db. Still we haven't actually select that in which database actually we are going to work. Here you can see there is two database. There are two database, right? So we have to select a default one. So you can actually select any of them default. Just right click on the database name, and here you can see we have a option here, say it as default schema, or you can use this what can I say, this query, use the database name. So here you can see data visionary underscore db. Now if I execute it, now you can see the by default database is now data visionary db. Okay, so now let's say I want to drop the database, so you can actually drop it like this. You just have to write drop. Okay, not drop database, and then database name data visionary underscore db. Now execute the query, and boom, here you can see we have nothing, right? Okay, so I'm going to make a series video. So I'm going to create the table, database once again. So I will say create database, the database name, let's say data visionary underscore db. All right, execute it. Now refresh, and here you can see now we want to use it as default one, so we'll select this one, say it as default schema. Now you can see our default schema is data visionary. Now let's say I want to create a table, so I'll actually create it in the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.